Question number 141. The river Irrawaddy is the lifeblood of A. Myanmar, B. Bangladesh, C. Thailand, D. Laos. And the correct answer is A. Myanmar. Question number 142. Gilbert Island is known as A. Kiribati, B. Bhatikar, C. Vientiane, D. Etiquette. And the correct answer is A. Kiribati. Question number 143. Sheffield has been famous for A. Textile industry, B. Cutlery industry, C. Tin plate industry, D. Wax and candle industry. And the correct answer is B. Cutlery industry. Question number 144. Which of the following lies on the Nile River? A. Nairobi, B. Addis Ababa, C. Khartoum, D. Kinshasa. And the correct answer is C. Khartoum. Question number 145. 𝘘𝘶𝘶𝑦𝑔 is an island in A. Pacific Ocean, B. Arctic Ocean, C. Indian Ocean, D. Atlantic Ocean. And the correct answer is C. Indian Ocean. Question number 146. Which of the following is the busiest ocean trade routes? A. Suez Canal, B. Cape of Good Hope, C. North Atlantic, D. Panama Canal. And the correct answer is D. Panama Canal. Subscribe Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel for all competitive jobs preparation and PDF notes. Follow us on TikTok, Facebook and WhatsApp. Question number 147. What is the Gulf Stream? And the correct answer is C. A warm current in the Atlantic Ocean. Question number 148. What is the most common salt in seawater? A. Calcium carbonate, B. Potassium chloride, C. Sodium chloride, D. Magnesium sulfate. And the correct answer is C. Sodium chloride. Question number 149. Sericulture refers to A. Cultivation of vegetables, B. Rearing of silkworms, C. Cultivation of fruit plants, D. Cultivation of ornamental plants. And the correct answer is B. Rearing of silkworms. Question number 150. Which are the Benelux countries? Benelux countries. And the correct answer is C. Belgium, Netherlands, Luxembourg. Question number 1